Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Sleepy Bull, or rather said, Wave Watch with your host Sleepy Bull. That was a blooper. And today we are going to be going over the total 3 altcoin market cap once again. And if you've been watching so far, you've known that I am expecting a turnover of the market cap at this junction here. And I just wanted to hop on here and pretty much state, I would say, the obvious that we're running into some exhaustion or resistance at this point right here. Primarily in the form of divergence. But first I'll touch upon the challenge that this current count is facing. And then we'll dive into the divergence and resistance held upon the market cap. And then we will go into a new type of analysis that will be coming shortly. So the first thing is, the challenge that we're coming upon with this count, this wave 3, 4, 5 blow off top WXY wave countdown. The challenge is this. This is a W, this is an X, then a Y to follow down. And I say that because here we are having a challenge to the WXY wave count. Now normally when we have a WXY, we're doing all this on log fibs. The max 5 wave move that your last wave Y can go up is a 1618 extension of the wave W and of wave W, projected onto wave X. So right now, if we take it from wick to wick, we have a extension of roughly 2, which is a bit more. I like to use candle closes. Makes things a little bit more accurate. And right then and there, you see that we have a extension to the 1786, right to the 1786. Now this is a little bit of a stretch, but in crypto, I'm starting to notice that a lot of things are extending to the 1786. And applying the candle closes is something that you can do, and most technicians do, for just accuracy's sake. For example, this WXY, you see this wick here, you can apply the ending at this candle close here. And so, it's a stretch, I'll say that. I don't feel comfortable really doing those two extrapolations, but I will remain to it just because of the new evidence that's emerging, and that is the bearish divergence that we're seeing on the total 3 altcoin chart. And if we go to the daily, you'll see here what I'm talking about. And let's take off the indicators just because it will make it that much easier. Again, we have a bullish uptrend at the top, and on the RSI, let's make this more visible. RSI, we have a bearish. We have a dropping RSI trend line. Now it remains to be seen if the RSI will continue to decline, but right now that is bearish divergence. Right where we wanted to see it. Also too, on the weekly, you still have some bearish divergence. This is just flat. So I don't see anything here. Also to note, we're coming up against the top of this channel. So we don't have much left in this move. And our EMA trend is coming towards the end. This was a weak move in crypto. This was a very weak move. Now, if you would have invested in the right coins, you would have made some decent money. But, you know, once you hit the top of this EMA trend, expect it to reverse down to here for actual optimal buying opportunity to break out. Yep. So these are the signs that are pointing to WXY rejection 1A B C. Expecting it down to here or here. It could be the worst case scenario here, but you know, best case scenario is we keep this trend line. Let's just see what the fibs say. WXY. There we go. July 2025. Put that on your calendar, folks. We might hit this area here, July 2025. So get ready. Alright, let me just put that there. Whoop. Right with this area. So we'll see. We'll see. So yeah, that's what I have for you guys. I just wanted to hop on here and say we are getting rejection here, just as we expected. Bearish divergence. Excuse the messy chart. It can get away from me sometimes. But yeah, that's it. Have a good one, folks. Stay safe out there. Sleepy Bull out.